In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your camera if it's not working in Google Meet. Ensuring your camera is functional is crucial for effective communication, especially in today's digital world where virtual meetings have become the norm. Whether you're joining a team meeting or catching up with friends, having your camera working correctly can make all the difference. Let's dive into the process step by step, making sure you can get your camera up and running smoothly in no time. First, let's address a common issue with browser permissions. If your camera is not working, the most straightforward step is to check your browser settings. Begin by clicking the lock icon next to the website URL in your browser's address bar. This icon is your gateway to managing permissions for Google Meet, among other websites. Once you've clicked it, a menu will appear, and you should be able to see an option for your camera. Make sure the toggle for your camera is switched on. This simple step ensures that your browser is allowing Google Meet to access the camera. Next, it's time to enter Google Meet itself to ensure everything is set correctly within the platform. When you're in a Google Meet session, direct your attention to the bottom bar where you'll spot 3 dots. Clicking on these dots reveals a menu. From here, look for the Settings option and give that a click. Once in the Settings menu, navigate to the Video tab. It's here where you can see which camera is currently selected as your device's active video source. If you happen to have multiple cameras, such as an integrated webcam and an external one, ensure the correct camera is selected from the drop-down menu. This critical step can often resolve issues of your camera not appearing or working. If you've worked through these steps and your camera still isn't functioning, it's time to expand your troubleshooting to other platforms or applications. Testing your camera on different apps or websites helps you determine if the problem is exclusive to Google Meet or lies with the camera itself. Open another application that uses the camera, such as Skype or a different video conferencing app, and see if it works there. Also, don't overlook your antivirus software, which might be blocking access to your camera. Access your antivirus settings and verify if there are any restrictions or blocks on your camera's functionality. Sometimes antivirus software is overly cautious and interferes with peripherals like cameras. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any camera issues in Google Meet. With your camera functioning properly, you can now confidently engage in your virtual meetings. Thanks for following along, and I hope these tips help you maintain seamless video communication. For further help, feel free to explore more solutions specific to your device or browser.